everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey. It's a different video this time around. Aside from jewelry, I do sell other things. And in this case, it's shoes. These shoes have not been posted on my Macari or Poshmark closets just yet. So I thought I would offer them to you here first, my subscribers. It'll be a short video, just several pairs I wanted to share. So let's just jump right in and see what I have. Okay, first pair are these 9 West suede stiletto heels. They're a size 8. They look brand new. They have a very pointy toe. Here's the heel. There's the bottoms. Rubber soles, 9 West, size 8. Let's see how high these heels are. Oh, maybe I do it that way. Close to 4 inches. Let's look at the outside. Is that a mark? Maybe. And let's look at the insides. They look all right. I mean, okay. No, that's just, you see, with suede, it's really hard. This looks like there's a line there. Oh, there's a little dot right there. Let's look at the back. There's the back. They look good. The heels look really nice. So yeah, we have this 9 West suede stiletto heel in a size 8. This next pair, it's an espadrille in this animal print. It has leather detailing, and this one is made by G.H. Bass & Company. This is a size, what's the size? 8.5 medium, right there. Brand new. There's the bottoms. There's the backs. The leather does have some marks on them, but I mean, they look so comfortable. There it is, 8.5. So we have this pair. Okay, next pair is this is so pretty. This like a ruby red patent leather by Me Too. This one is a size 8. Let's take a look at this. It's a nice size heel, but I do see some scuffing on it. There's not really any heel drag. The heel is black. There is some scuffing. There's the bottoms. They look to be maybe worn a few times by Me Too. There's the front. Let's look at the toes. The toes look excellent. There's no scuffing or anything on them. Here's the inside view. Here's the outside view. And inside of the shoe. Gold interior. Let's measure the heel height of this one. This one comes out to be, a little over, almost 3.5 inches, but not quite. But they're still, I would say, in pretty good condition. This next pair I found, I thought are pretty sexy. I mean, look at this. It's an open-toe suede sandal with the stiletto heel. There's a buckle on this side, a big wide band. They look really great. It's by 9 West. Here's the other one. And looking at these, I mean, the heels have absolutely no damage. And even, you know, the bottom of them. The only problem is, look, they have been worn. You would never know. And these are a size 9. So yeah, they have been worn. You see that heel? I mean the bottom. But other than that, I mean, the heels look great. Everything else looks good. I think they're so nice. They're really a sexy pair of shoe. What do you think? I think so. Let me measure this heel for you. Yeah, you see? There's no nicks, there's no damage. There's a spot over there. But I mean, look at this heel. All right, let me measure the height. This is a, wow, 4.5 inches almost. These are high. See, look at this heel. It looks so good. It's just this. I mean, you could even put one of those rubber covers on this, so that way they'll be nice. So we have this pair. Really sweet. Okay, this next pair, these are brand new. These are made by CLOGS from their, what's that say? Ultimate Comfort Collection. Okay, these are leather. They have that nice little striped canvas interior. These are a size 8. They're like perforated. They have this woven band, and then there's a rubber sole. Slip-ons. They look very narrow. There's the sides. Here's the other side. Here's the back. And let's look at the bottoms. Here's the bottoms. US size 8 medium. Oh, these are called the Denelli Iris black leather CLOGS slip-ons. Next pair we have are these Enzo Angiolini. Size 7.5, medium width. These are open toe silver textured pumps. Very pretty, very classic. Let's take a look at these closer. The fronts look good. This side looks okay as well. Let's look at this side. Oh, some scratching there. Maybe a scratch right there. The heels look good. Even, well, there's some wear right there. Let's take a look at the other pair. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, what's that? Maybe a stain? That could be wiped off. Here's the heel on the other 7.5 medium. And yeah, these have some wear too, right there. But other than that, I mean, the sandal looks very, I mean, the pump looks pretty good. Okay, next pair is this Mary Jane low heel by AEROSOLES. This has a zipper on the inside. They are suede, and I don't see any major flaws. There's this gore elastic on the side. Some stitching that can be trimmed. Here's the other side of this pair. I mean, they look okay. Here's the bottoms. Size 8. There's the heel. Yeah, they've been worn. There's the heel. No damage to the heels. They look really comfortable. So we have this pair of, I like these, Mary Jane's suede wide band by AEROSOLES. Forgot to mention, the height of this heel is about 3 inches. Next up is a pair of patent leather black Ralph Lauren pumps. These have a black heel. They have this oval toe. They look to be in pretty good condition. There are some scrapes on patent leather. I don't know, how do you get that out? They have been worn. Size 8.5 medium. There's the heels. I mean, not totally bad, you see? There's the inside. Needs to be cleaned. You know, not too bad. So let's measure the heel height of this one. I would say 4 inches. So we have this pair. This next pair is by MacStudio.com. Patent leather wedge heels. Oval toe. Size 8. Wooden tone. Heel. What's that? Looks like, I don't know, glue? Yeah, it's like that on the other side too. The backs look good. This side looks good. The bottoms. Let's look at the heel. The heel has a little wear. Yeah, it's been worn. The front, let's look at the front. There's no wear on those toes. So overall, it's not bad. So we have this pair. So, I guess I didn't mention many of the shoes I found at Savers, as well as I have a local Salvation Army not far from me. And I found this pair, even though, you know, it is a little damaged there. But these are actually ARIAT. I've sold ARIAT Western boots before, and they make really good quality shoes. They're leather. And this one is like a clog. And they have this like comfort footbed. So I picked this one up. I thought it was nice. Even though it has some wear, it's still like such a nice, comfortable shoe. Clog. So let's see. Okay, there's the size. It is a US 8.5, I think. Wait. No, my mistake. It's an 8. There is some stitching here. Yeah, the damage is over here, but this leather is so soft. I guess if you condition it, it will look a lot nicer. But as is, I mean, you have this braid. There is some, you know, there is some wear. These are the bottoms. Advanced stability and cushioning. Okay, so yeah, so that's what the bottoms look like. There's the heel. But they just really, they make such comfortable shoes. So I have this pair. Well, that's a wrap on my little shoe haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. Comment below. Tell me what you thought of these shoes. And if there's anything you'd like to purchase, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. Now, each one of these pairs do fit into a flat rate envelope. USPS charges $8.45. Yeah, it went up a little bit for a padded flat rate envelope. And that's priority mail, so that means you should get it within 2 to 3 days. Now, don't forget, please subscribe in order to get in on these deals. And also ring that bell. Choose all notifications. That way you won't miss out when I post my next new video. Hope you enjoyed this again, and thanks for spending this time with me, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye.